Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the HP DesignJet T650 large format 36-inch plotter, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. I've been in the design game for years, and I can tell you that having a reliable large format plotter is like having a superpower. It can make or break a project, and trust me, I've been there. That's why I'm excited to share my thoughts on the HP DesignJet T650. Will it be your new go-to for all your design needs? This printer is ideal for technical line drawings, renders that require precise accuracy in crisp text, posters, and detailed map prints. It's a favorite among architects, engineers, geographic firms, and construction professionals. And let me tell you, if you're in one of those fields, you know how much precision matters. One thing that really stood out to me when I started using the HP DesignJet T650 is how easy it is to use. The included HP Clicks software saves so much time, ink, and paper waste with PDF error checking, alerts, and auto-nesting. It's like having a personal assistant for your print jobs. Simply drag and drop your files, whether they're in PDF, JPEG, TIFF, DWF, HPGL/2, or PNG format, and the printer takes care of the rest. I also love how cost-effective this printer is. With 95% less ink required for routine maintenance compared to other competitor plotter printers, it's a no-brainer for anyone looking to save some cash. And with the automatic sheet feeder accessory, you can print multi-size projects without having to manually switch media sources. Talk about efficiency. Of course, we've all had those days where our printer just decides not to cooperate. That's why the 2-year extended warranty with on-site and remote support is a total game-changer. Need help with the issue? HP parts are at your doorstep and next business day service if that doesn't work. So what does it feel like to use this printer on a daily basis? The answer is incredibly smooth. Everything from the paper handling to the print quality is top-notch, making it perfect for producing high-resolution prints that will make even the most discerning clients jealous. My only honest complaint so far has been with the learning curve. It takes some time to get used to all the features and settings, but once you do, this printer becomes an extension of your own arm. And trust me, I've learned a thing or two about design software over the years. So is the HP DesignJet T650 large format 36-inch plotter worth buying? Absolutely. If you're in the market for a reliable and efficient large format plotter that can help take your designs to the next level, this printer is an excellent choice. Plus, with its cost-effective features and convenient warranty, it's hard to go wrong. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. The link to grab the HP DesignJet T650 large format 36-inch plotter is right below in the description.